I'll go over what we learned in social skills class and how our class works as an elective. That's me. I'm Miss Ryan Smith. This is my 5th year teaching social skills at GCA. I've taught for 13 years. I live in St. Simons, Georgia. I love going to the beach. Got a master's degree in special ed. This is a picture of me and my family, my husband and 4-year-old. So what I'll cover over the next couple of minutes is what is social skills elective, what's our schedule, show you a little bit about the activities that we do in the class, and then we'll end it there. But why are the students in social skills? It's written in their IEP if they have any kind of social behavior deficit that the IEP team thinks that they'd benefit from some extra support. So the areas that we cover are self-management, which is managing emotions so that you can achieve your goals. We learn about self-awareness, where you recognize your own emotions and your values and identify your strengths and challenges. We practice responsible decision-making. We talk about making ethical choices. We talk about positive relationships and making the right choices socially and personally. We do a big unit on relationship skills where we learn about forming positive relationships. We learn how to work in teams, and we learn about how to solve problems and solve conflict. And then the other component that we address is social awareness, which is just understanding empathy for others. And what I like to tell all the students in my class is please be comfortable and confident in using your webcam and mic in my room. Obviously not required, but all of the skills I just covered are so much easier to put into practice when the kids are on the mic and on the webcam. It's a really laid back, interactive class that requires a lot of discussion and dialogue. So our grades run just like all the other courses, same weights, same categories. And we only meet once a week on Mondays. And our Canvas class is set up just like all of the others. Most everything is found under modules. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Students can always have access to the PowerPoints before class. They're always posted several days before class. And they also have guided notes available to them in Canvas to follow along. If you need to contact me, there's my email and phone number. Let me know if you need anything or have any questions.